Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an email address to your GitHub account. This is particularly useful if you want to receive notifications at a different address or if you're managing multiple email accounts for your GitHub activity. Let's walk through this step by step. First things first, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your GitHub homepage where you can access all your repositories and account features. Now look up to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture displayed there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your GitHub account, from security settings to notification preferences. Once you're in the settings area, direct your attention to the left side panel. Here you'll find a list of different configuration options. Look for the one labeled Emails and click on it. This section is dedicated to managing all the email addresses associated with your account, including your primary email and any additional ones you'd like to add. In the email section, you'll see your current email addresses listed. Now navigate to the option that says Add Email Address. This is where you'll be able to expand your account's email capabilities by linking another address. A field will appear prompting you to enter an email address. Type in the email address you want to add to your GitHub account. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any issues with verification later. Once you've typed it in, click the Add button to proceed. GitHub will now send a verification email to the address you just added. You'll need to check that inbox and click the verification link to confirm that you own this email address. Once verified, this new email will be fully integrated into your GitHub account and you can use it for notifications or as your primary contact method. And that's it. You've successfully added a new email address to your GitHub account, giving you more flexibility in how you manage your communications and notifications on the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.